And for reference, before we blow up the $300,000 car, we're gonna blow up a normal car to see if the passengers survive. Not only is it on fire, but the mannequins literally flew out of the car.
It blew a sunroof into that thing.
It doesn't handle it well at all. So supposedly, this car is explosion-proof, but that's never been tested. Let's see if the mannequins, and even more importantly, the Feastables, survive. 3, 2, 1! It just jumped! The car actually survived the blast with only a few minor scrapes. It put a dent in the window. Where are the Feastables? The Feastables survived! If you're looking for a car that can take a bomb, I officially recommend this one.